What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Property Stories. So this is a question I usually get, and this one variation. Then it's about MRTA. So this sounds like this. Bro, sorry to kacau you, need some advice urgently, a relative passed on suddenly. But got bank loan with new house, he left behind a small baby and wife. They just got new key for family house, assuming they have shared name, husband and wife. Will MRTA cover the whole house loan or only half? Very normal question. So MRTA cover house loan full or only half? This one, it depends on how you structure the deal at the point of loan application. At the point of loan application, when you sign the LO, how you structure? Is it cover half wife only, or half wife half, husband half, or cover half one person only, or cover full one person? Full coverage here means full tenure, full sum assured. Most of the time people will just say full sum assured. That's full cover. No, you have to cover according to the duration of the loan and also full sum assured. Sum assured must be the same as the loan amount. Then you call it full cover. Most people do not do full cover because the MRTA, the amortization, is different for every age. As you get older, premiums become more expensive. Okay, and most of the time, frankly speaking, your banker also will not be explaining this to you. You know why? Because their job is to close sales. That's it. That is why I highly emphasize that you decide your own how much you need MRTA, especially if the house is your own stay. You need MRTA, you decide how much. Then you let the banker know, I want to cover full, I want to cover full tenure, full sum assured. If it's extra cash, I will pay. If you do not pay, the bank will not release the money. So remember that. Okay? If you do not pay a premium, the bank will not release the money. And the bank has the right to hold your disbursement until you settle all the areas. Okay? That is why most of the time you see, right, the MRTA is financed into your loan, so it doesn't disturb the disbursement. Okay? So I did a lot of video on this, and even this morning also I get the same question. Is it cover half or cover full? I really want to emphasize the importance of this, because I've seen time and time again how it affects the family, especially even though it's an investment and the property, it really affects the family that has or don't have MRTA. So please, ladies and gentlemen out there, if you are listening, please do not take this lightly. Okay, this legacy matter is no joke, especially if you are staying in the house. If husband and wife, you all both are staying in the house, one person suddenly pass on or TPD, cannot work, it is a lot of things to plan. So please don't take this lightly. So I think that's all for this question. I hope that you understand the importance of MRTA and planning the MRTA. Or even if you don't want to buy from the bank or buy minimum from the bank, please have your own plan out there. Buy an MRTA or life insurance out there. Okay? I hope this helps. This is Kenny here from Property Stories, and if you have any more questions, just email us down below. If you have not subscribed, do hit the subscribe button. I share a lot about real estate, business, personal finance in this channel. I'll see you again next video. Bye bye.